Hi everyone, we are about to show and discuss you the cultural appropriation. We are about to show you one video of an influencer which is Diwata Paris Overload, who's degrading a culture from the Philippines where he came from to.
Nandito na naman tayo sa Baguio, hindi natin makumpleto ang ating pagpunta dito kung hindi tayo makapagsuot ng igorot costume. Kaya naman, kung may tungkol yung camera, kala nabiyak yung bato.
As you saw in that video, he is wearing a Cordillera attire, which then he called a costume. A costume word is just for cosplaying or portraying other people we saw online or we watch on TV shows, Netflix, and other kinds of videos. It disrespects the word of Cordillera attire by using that word costume.
Yes, for indigenous people, traditional clothing is not a costume. It carries history, identity, and meaning. Calling it otherwise reduces its value.
Some people say it was just for fun. Why is it still an issue?
Intent doesn't erase impact. Using it without permission treats their culture as entertainment and not heritage.
So how can we show respect instead?
We can show respect by learning the story behind the attire, asking permission from the community, and treating it with honor. That's cultural appreciation.
So guys, this should be a reminder to us that respect begins with awareness. But how can we highlight appreciation instead of appropriation?
First, we could use the right words, say traditional attire or cultural wear, not costume. We should be careful with our words because words matter.
Beyond language, what can people do if they want to wear it?
They should ask permission, learn the story behind the attire, and treat it with respect. Involving the community ensures authenticity.
Then for creators who feature indigenous culture,
Promote local weavers and artisans, give credit, and use the platform to educate. That way, it's not about wearing, it's about honoring.
appreciation uplifts. If we respect tradition, we help to preserve them.